G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2020 Isuzu MUX in an LSU two-wheel drive wagon, which has just been traded and freshly detailed. Roadwork is yet to be completed, but it will get done in due course, and the reason we do these videos is to give you a really good indication of the car that you're looking at with us. Presents really well and is in great condition. Bit of history about this vehicle: it is a one owner from you, full service history, great beautiful car from you. The people that traded this vehicle purchased another MUX from us, which had a mere 5,000 kilometres on it, so we're lucky to have this one come in such great condition with age and kilometres. It does present very, very well. And I'll take you right around the outside of the exterior of the vehicle, take you through the interior, point out all the extras the vehicle does have, and give you a good comprehensive report on the car as we walk our way around. Also, the vehicle is running, so you can hear it purr throughout the video, knowing it's in great condition engine-wise and also exterior-wise as well. So as you'll see from the front of the vehicle does present very well. We'll start from the driver's door. Vehicle does have the genuine Isuzu steel Bullbar, but we'll tap on that as we walk our way around. So we'll start from the driver's door. It does have front slimline weather shields fitted. Being the LSU, does give you the chrome mirror scalps, chrome door handles, and also your side steps. But as you'll see, paint condition starting on that first driver's door, it presents beautifully. Really clean condition. Coming to your front guard area on the driver's side, again, beautiful condition. Alloy wheel and tyres are in great condition as well. Beautiful all the way around. Does have a tinted bonnet protector, and again, like I said, the Isuzu genuine steel bull bar, which is in great order again, with your lower fog lights fitted in that bull bar. But as you'll see, really clean throughout on that front section of the vehicle. Up to your bonnet, again, beautiful condition all the way through. Again, these are the type of days where we will see if there's any marks, nothing major to scare you so far. Coming to your front guard on that passenger side, as you see, paintwork is gleaming in the sun. Alloy wheels again, which are 18-inch, great condition alloy wheels. Tyres are in fantastic condition. Again, your side steps on the passenger side, really clean throughout again. Coming up to your driver's door on the passenger side, again, your mirror scalps, your slimline weather shield, but your paint condition, as you'll see, is absolutely flawless. Has been really well cared for, so credit to the previous owner. Has been looked after really, really well. Rear door on that passenger side, beautiful condition again. Does have the rear privacy glass in the rear, so you may see the rear windows are darker than the front windows, but that is the rear privacy glass in the rear section. And then coming to your rear quarter panel, again on that passenger side, absolutely phenomenal condition. Not a mark on it whatsoever. Alloy wheel and rear tyre again, plenty of condition, plenty of tread on those tyres, in great condition on the tyres as well. Coming to the back end of the vehicle, as you'll see, it does have a genuine Isuzu Towbar fitted, factory reverse sensors, factory reverse camera as well, but as you'll see, really clean condition of that tailgate area, beautiful condition all the way through. To open your tailgate, just a little button just in here, open that lever up. It is a 7-seat variant, which is standard in the MUX, and really handy if you want to pop those seats down. Again, just one cord. I'll see if I can do it one-handed. It's a bit tricky when it's one-handed. No, I won't be able to do it. Let me see if I do it this side. Sorry guys, there we go. That seat will fold down. So you've got your 6 and 7 seats that will fold down. The passenger side will do the same, but it's a bit tricky just one-handed. And then to pop that seat back up again, lift that lever here, and that seat is back up and situated, so you've got your 7-seat functionality in the rear as well. Do have your 12-volt plug in the rear here as well. So 12-volt plug in the rear, but a really clean condition. I'll shut that tailgate and we'll continue on with the video on the exterior. Coming to the driver's side rear end, again, really clean condition. A couple of minor marks there, which we'll put some touch-up paint on, but again, nothing major. A couple of marks, probably from a shopping trolley, but nothing major, but we will put some touch-up paint on that as well. Coming to the rear end on the driver's side, again, really clean throughout. Absolutely phenomenal condition. So rear quarter panel, as you'll see, beautiful. You'll see my ugly legs in reflection there. Again, your alloy wheel and tyre are in great condition. And then just to complete the exterior condition on that driver's rear door, again, phenomenally clean. Absolutely beautiful condition, not a mark on it whatsoever. Let's take you through the interior now. So we'll open that passenger side rear door, driver's side rear door. As you'll see, your door card, again, really clean throughout. Again, your cloth interior, all your flooring's in great condition. All your seats are in great condition, as you'll see throughout. Absolutely phenomenal condition inside and outside. Over to your passenger side seat, shoe fly, door card, and then back to your interior. Really clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Sorry about the sun glare in the background. Now to open your rear seat so the kids can hop in the back, you've got the lever on the top of the seat here. That seat will then lift up to that position. That way the kiddies can jump through this area and then into the 7 seats. Again, cloth interior is absolutely phenomenal. And then to put that seat back down, lift that back up, and that seat will go back into position, back to your 7-seat functionality. Opening the driver's door, just again to show you through the interior, starting from the door card. Again, very clean condition. All your carpet flooring is in fantastic condition. And also the seating, beautiful condition. No dramas in the interior. Probably one of the cleanest ones we've had for a long time. For this age and K's, it's beautiful. So again, like I said at the start of the video, true credit to the previous owner. They have looked after it very, very well. Dash mat gives it a little bit of a telltale sign, so a couple who weren't young, normally the elderly style will have the dash mats. So as you see, dash mat is in this model, so handy to have the dash mat for the summer months. Inside your vehicle, we'll give you the correct kilometre. So current K's as we speak, I'm just going to turn that fan speed down a little bit. Current speed kilometres as we speak is 199042. Sending out the current kilometres as we speak. Coming back to your steering wheel, your volume controls for your Bluetooth button for your phone's connectivity, also your cruise control to the right hand side. Power windows over to your right. You do have your electric brakes. That's a bit glary there, but your electric brakes just on the left hand side of your knee in that lower cabin. Your AM FM radio, again reverse camera is standard. Bluetooth capability as well. You do have factory nav in this model as well, so we'll go back to the home screen. I don't know if it'll work that well with Mike. Whenever the phone, it looks like it's flashing, but the screen is in great order, but whenever I'm filming it does flash, but definitely sat nav and radio works beautifully. You got your home button, back to your main screen. AM FM radio, so it's really easy system to use. Beneath that is your single zone climate control, so you can adjust your temperature, your fan speed nice and easily. Beneath that there is your auxiliary points, USB points and 12-volt plug. Also back to your automatic transmission. And again, this being the 2-wheel drive, your 4-wheel drive would normally button would be there, but this is a 2-wheel drive variant. So just remember, this is the 2-wheel drive variant if you're looking at this one online or speaking to one of the guys here. But as you see, absolutely phenomenal condition, great value for money, excellent condition for age and kilometres, will not last long. For something in this great condition, normally sells really, really quickly. So I'll jump outside the car, we'll wrap up the video. If you have any questions moving forward, you can either speak to Andrew or Glenn. We'll both be able to look after you very well. But it's been a pleasure to take you through this walk around video of this one owner from you 2020 Isuzu MUX in an LSU 2-wheel drive wagon. 7 seats, tow bar, genuine Isuzu Bullbar, absolutely phenomenal condition, great value for money and will not last long. But we hope to hear from you soon and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.